How to add commerce integration on Linktree easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add that easy and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and if you can't find it, just refresh your page and then click this one here, this icon, and that's it. Then click settings. Now scroll down until you find here commerce integrations. Now click add integration, and that's it. Just select anything you want, and uh, and that's it. That's how you can add it. Just click this one and next, and keep manage it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.